Records are falling as temperatures soar well into the triple digits, up 25 degrees above normal. The National Weather Service has issued warnings for dangerous and extreme heat and critical fire danger. Firefighters remain on edge as reports came in throughout the day of pop-up fires fanned by hot, dry winds, including this one near San Diego.
Excessive heat can be very dangerous. Is your AC unit up to the task? This video will help you clean and maintain your central air system. Being outside, if you notice dirt on the coils, a simple brush can loosen and remove most of the dirt. Routine maintenance is important because you want your AC to work efficiently when you need it the most. Your AC unit should be nice and clean, especially the coils. An air compressor can do the rest. Remember to wear safety glasses when working with compressed air. If you have a power washer, even better. Be mindful of things like clothes dryer vents, as they can cause a lint buildup on the coils. Now, let's go indoors and replace those old, dirty filters that should be replaced every 90 days. While you're up there on that ladder or chair, might as well check your smoke alarm batteries. This is very important. Be sure to clean the metal retention filter holder on the outside. You can use a telescoping dust brush for this. Be sure to use a dust filter and eye protection when performing these maintenance duties. These simple steps will ensure that your AC unit will operate efficiently and will save you money in the long run. If you cannot do these maintenance procedures, you can opt to have a professional service come out and do them on your behalf. It is cheaper to do it yourself, but shop around first. If you have a serious problem with your AC unit, call a licensed professional to work on it. I hope this video helped you understand how to clean and maintain your AC unit and stay cool.